A variety of standard reports are instantly available to a user, provided they have the required security access. From the Reports tab, select a date period for the report. Quotes by user turnover, GP, and monthly billing provide an overview of the teams. Left-click to drill down a level to the individual rep's quote statuses and specific quote information. Right-click to go back up a level. Reports can be exported to CSV and formatted as tables, and the data filtered to suit your requirements. The parts list provides an overview of products quoted for forecasting purposes. The client list provides an overview of all clients quoted and the likelihood of closure. The geographical report gives an immediate overview of where your team is quoting and the statuses of these quotes. This can be zoomed down to street level if required. The Leads report allows you to calculate your return on investment for your advertising and marketing campaigns. You can track leads by source, date created, who created the lead, who it was assigned to, and whether a quote has been generated from the lead, along with the quote status. Price overrides gives insight into which quotes and products have received a price override or line discount, and who authorized these. Customized reports can also be created by the Cloud Quote team if required. Cloud Quote. Click and easy.